Hi students, today we are going to study about another topic of acid, bases and salt. The previous class we studied about chemical properties of acids and we studied about indicators. What are indicators? The substances which are used to know the nature of substances, whether it is acidic or basic, that is called indicator. So our class today we are going to discuss about a pH scale. It's a type of an indicator which is used to measure the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Okay, so pH scale have a values to 0 to 14. So these values indicates what? The number of hydrogen ions in a solution. Okay, that we call pH scale. It have values from 0 to 14. As we move from 0 to 14 values, H plus ion concentration decreases. This graph clearly indicates H plus ion concentration decreases, OH minus ion concentration increases. Means the value here before we have increase in H plus ions. On this side, the value above 7, we have a increase in OH minus ions. Okay, so this pH scale is just a measure. इस pH हाइड्रोजन आयन्स के concentrations क्या है solution में पता चलता है. So pH scale have certain values. So values of pH scale. If pH scale value is equal to 7, if a solution which gives value equal to 7, okay, we call its solution as neutral. If pH value is less than 7, if pH value is less than 7, it is called acidic. If pH value more than 7, we call it as basic. यानी value 0 से 7 कम रहा तो acidic, 7 से ज़्यादा रहा तो basic, 7 रहा तो neutral. Okay, so इस pH scale की वजह से you can know the nature of substance. Okay, the number of hydrogen ions in a solution. How can we decide the strength of acids and bases? Right? If in a solution, for example, you take it as HCl and acetic acid, CH3COOH, you consider these two solutions. Take same concentration of HCl and CH3COOH, right? And you measure with the help of an pH scale. You find that in the acetic acid you find less number of OH minus ions. You find less number of H plus ions, and you find here more number of H plus ions. Right? So based on this present of H plus ions in a solution, we decide the solution as strong and weak. If an acid is said to be a strong acid, so based on that we classify acids into two types, strong acid and weak acid. If an acid is said to be a strong acid, it has more number of H plus ions. More number of H plus ions. An acid is said to be a weak acid if it has less number of H plus ions. The same way, based on the presence of OH minus ions, we also decide the bases into two. One as strong base, other as weak base. So which is called as a strong base? Same like acids, we are deciding based on the H plus ions. In the bases, what do we have? OH minus ion concentrations. Okay, if more number of OH minus ions, are strong bases, less number of OH minus ion are called weak bases. Right, it's very clear for you, I think. ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ H plus ions अगर होते हैं तो strong acid बोलना चाहिए. Less number of अगर H plus ions होते हैं तो weak acid कहना चाहिए. More number of OH minus ions अगर होते हैं तो strong base. Less number of OH minus ions अगर होते हैं तो weak base. So based on this presence of H plus and OH minus ions, the number of H plus and OH minus ions, we decide the strength of acids and bases. That can be known with the help of pH scale. Let us try to know how do we find the nature of substance with the help of an example based on the values. अब थोड़े values दिए जाते हैं. For example, अब एक solution universal indicator से आप test करें. So you have tested 5 solutions. Let's label them as A, B, C, D, and E. With the help of pH scale, we got certain values. So A solution value would give us 2, B solution 9, okay, C solution as 7, D solution as 11, and another solution as 4. And how do we decide based on this number? Which is strong acid, which is weak acid, which is strong base and weak base, right? Now you concentrate here. अब number 7 से कौन से कम है? These two. 2 and 4 are the number which is below 7. So here if you see the below 7, right, as the number decreases, जैसा जैसा number कम होता है, इसका मतलब क्या है? H plus ions ज़्यादा होते हैं, right? This side what happens? Increase in H plus ions, right? As the number increases, what happens here? Increase in OH minus ions. So here in दोनों में, in these two, which is less number, this means it contains more number of H plus. It is strong acid. Now it becomes weak acid. Right? No doubt. If number is 7, it is neutral. Right? Now how to decide 9 and 11, which is strong base and which is weak base? Children, 7 से नंबर अगर ज्यादा होता है 14 तक तो वो बेस है. It is base. Right? So pH scale में क्या होता है? As you move from 0 to 14, what happens? Number of OH minus ion increases. अब ये नंबर 9 and 11 में OH minus ion ज्यादा किस में है? 11 में. तो ये क्या बनता है आपका? Strong base. अब ये 9 क्या बन जाता है? Weak base. Right? So this is what about how do we decide strength of acids and bases with the help of pH scale. Hope you have understood this class. Okay. So अगर आपको क्लास ये पसंद आया हो, if you have understood, please do like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay. To know more about my videos, please press the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest videos. Right children, thank you, have a nice day.